All right, let's go to page 229, lesson 21, week 4. We're solving problems about length using a few different methods, a few different ways. Looking at the example of Judy with a ribbon that is 43 centimeters long, and she cuts off 6 centimeters. You want to know how long the ribbon is now. Well, you see what they took away is the ruler that tells you, it shows you how many centimeters long it is. So now you have to visualize it yourself, right? So she has a ribbon 43 centimeters long. She cuts off 6 centimeters. How long is it now? One way you can figure it out is by using the bar model that they gave you over here on the right-hand side. Right over here. And in the bar model, they took the greatest length, 43 centimeters long, and they put it in the top longest bar, because that's the total length. She cut off 6 centimeters, so 6 centimeters is part of that total. And they want to know how long the ribbon is now. That's the question. That's what you need to figure out. Okay? So that's one way to solve it. The other way to solve it is what we did yesterday. Yesterday, or in the previous page, depending on when you watched it, we wrote addition and subtraction sentences. We took the longest length, which in this case is 43 centimeters, subtracted the shortest length, and that equals, that'll be the difference. Or you take the shortest length plus a length we don't know will give us the total. Either way, we get the answer. Finally, they show you using a number line. They started this number line at 35 and ended it with 43. So doing 43, take away 6, but for some reason, and I don't know why, they split the 6 into 3 and 3. You know 3 plus 3 is 6. Why they just didn't count out 6, back 6, I have no idea. So they started at 43, and they counted back. 43, take away 3, 43, 42, 41, 40, and then 3 more, 39, 38, 37. So 43 take away 6 is 37. Let's figure it out this way. 43 take away 6. So 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37. The answer is still 37. Let's use the bar model. 43, take away 6. 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37. The answer is still, you guessed it, 37. What if you wanted to add up what plus 6 equals 43? That's a tough one. So you start at 6 and get to 43. If I want to do that, I would probably count up like we did in last week's lesson. I would start at 6, make the target number 43. If I can write over here. Perhaps not. Try again. All right, so I'd start at 6. Add 30, so you have 6 plus 30 is 36. Count up 36 plus 4 is 40. 40 plus 3 is 43. So you add 30 plus 4 plus 3, and again you get the answer as 37. So either method you use, the answer is going to be 37. You can use whichever you are most comfortable with. I just need to make sure I show you all different ways. right, let's take a look down at number 1, 2, and 3 down here. Maria kicked a ball 68 feet. Liam kicked a ball that went 17 feet less than that. How far did Liam kick the ball? Well, if the ball went 17 feet less, you know you're going to add or subtract. 17 feet less, you know you're going to subtract. And they want you to fill in the 2 empty boxes in the bar model to show the problem. It's 2 empty boxes. So here's our bar model over here. And we need to fill those in. What is the total number of feet that Maria kicked the ball? Maria kicked it 68 feet. Liam kicked it how many feet less? Well, he kicked it 17 feet less. How far did he kick the ball? That's what we don't know. That's what the question mark is for. So the bar model would show the total number of feet that Maria kicked. Maria kicked it at 68. Liam kicked it 17 feet less. And the total that he kicked it then is, or the number of feet he kicked it then would be where the question mark is. Let's complete the number sentences to figure out the same thing. 68, take away what equals the question mark? Well, 68 feet. The 68 feet that Maria kicked it. We need to take away the 17 feet less that it went. And that would give us the total feet that Liam kicked it. We could also add that. It'd be the total feet that Liam kicked it plus the 17 feet less is going to equal 68. So how far did Liam kick that ball? What are you going to do to figure it out? Do you want to do 68 take away 17 in the bar model? Do you want to do 68 take away 17 in the equation? Do you want to do something plus 17 equals 68 and count up? What do you want to do? You can pick whichever one you like. Go ahead and figure out 68 take away 17 using any way you prefer. Write down your answer. Pause the video until after you have your answer, and then hit play to see if you have it correct. Okay, and that is it for page 229. See you later.